Welcome back to Car Updater. Today, we're exploring the impressive 2025 Peterbilt 579, a truck that embodies innovation, efficiency, and driver comfort. Under the hood, the 2025 Peterbilt 579 offers a range of powerful engine options. One notable configuration features the Cummins X15 engine, delivering 450 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque. This robust engine is paired with an 18-speed manual transmission, providing drivers with precise control over their hauling tasks. In terms of fuel capacity, the 579 is equipped with dual-fuel tanks, offering a total capacity of 270 gallons. This substantial fuel storage ensures extended driving ranges, reducing the frequency of refueling stops and enhancing operational efficiency. The 2025 Peterbilt 579 is designed with aerodynamics in mind. Features such as the new hood and bumper design, bumper air dam, bumper-to-hood seals, wheel well closeouts, and A-pillar fairings work together to reduce air resistance. These enhancements contribute to improved fuel economy and a smoother ride. Driver comfort is a priority in the 579. The 80-inch ultra-loft sleeper cabin offers ample space for rest and relaxation during long hauls. Equipped with dual air ride seats and a prestige interior package, the cabin ensures a comfortable environment, allowing drivers to stay refreshed and focused on the road. Safety is paramount in the 2025 Peterbilt 579. The truck comes standard with advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking and enhanced collision mitigation systems. These technologies assist in preventing accidents and protecting both the driver and other road users. The 579 also incorporates modern technology to enhance the driving experience. The digital dashboard provides real-time information, allowing drivers to monitor vehicle performance and navigate efficiently. Connectivity features enable seamless communication and access to essential applications, keeping drivers informed and connected. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Peterbilt 579 varies based on configurations and optional features. For instance, a new 2025 Peterbilt 579 with an 80-inch ultra-loft sleeper is listed at approximately $179,900. Prices may fluctuate depending on additional specifications and dealer offerings. The 2025 Peterbilt 579 is also designed with maintenance efficiency in mind. The truck's components are engineered for durability, reducing the frequency of repairs and associated downtime. This focus on reliability ensures that operators can maximize their productivity and minimize operational costs. Fuel efficiency is another highlight of the 579. The aerodynamic design, coupled with efficient engine options, contributes to reduced fuel consumption. This not only lowers operating expenses but also aligns with environmental sustainability goals by reducing the carbon footprint. Customization is a key aspect of the 2025 Peterbilt 579. Operators can choose from various configurations, including different sleeper sizes, engine options, and interior packages. This flexibility allows businesses to tailor the truck to their specific operational needs and driver preferences. The 579's chassis is built for versatility, accommodating various applications from long-haul transportation to specialized freight. This adaptability makes it a valuable asset across multiple industries, providing the capability to handle diverse hauling requirements. Peterbilt's commitment to innovation is evident in the 2025-579. The integration of advanced technologies, such as predictive cruise control and lane keeping assist, enhances driver assistance and contributes to safer roadways. These features exemplify the brand's dedication to continuous improvement and driver well-being. The exterior design of the 579 is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The sleek lines and modern styling not only improve aerodynamics but also present a professional image on the road. This attention to detail reflects Peterbilt's understanding of the importance of brand representation in the transportation industry. In terms of warranty and support, Peterbilt offers comprehensive coverage options for the 2025-579. These warranties provide peace of mind to operators, ensuring that any unforeseen issues are addressed promptly and effectively. Additionally, Peterbilt's extensive dealer network ensures that support and service are readily available across various regions. The 2025 Peterbilt 579 also emphasizes driver ergonomics. The placement of controls, adjustable seating, and intuitive dashboard design contribute to reduced driver fatigue. By prioritizing driver comfort and accessibility, Peterbilt enhances overall safety and productivity. Environmental considerations are integral to the 579's design. The truck meets stringent emission standards, incorporating technologies that reduce pollutants. This commitment to sustainability aligns with global efforts to minimize environmental impact and promotes a positive corporate image for operators. The resale value of the 2025 Peterbilt 579 is another factor to consider. Peterbilt trucks are known for their durability and reliability, which translates to higher resale values. Investing in a 579 can provide long-term financial benefits, making it a prudent choice for fleet operators and owner-operators alike. In conclusion, the 2025 Peterbilt 579 stands as a testament to modern trucking excellence. With its powerful engine options, advanced safety features, driver-centric design, and operational efficiency, it addresses the diverse needs of the transportation industry. Whether for long-haul journeys or specialized applications, the 579 delivers performance, comfort, and reliability. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive overview of the 2025 Peterbilt 579. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.